Hey there, financial futurists. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the nitty-gritty details of Social Security and SSDI benefits. If you're a retiree or a disability beneficiary, this video is tailor-made for you. So, let's not waste any time and delve right into it. Alright, folks, let's get straight to the point. In this video, we're breaking down the monthly income thresholds that directly impact Social Security and SSDI beneficiaries. But before we dive into the numbers, let's clear one thing up. This video is specifically dedicated to Social Security retirement and SSDI beneficiaries. If you're an SSI recipient, hang tight. We'll have a dedicated video for you soon. Now, let's get into the details. First up, let's talk about the income thresholds that matter for you in 2024. We're focusing on three key numbers: $1,550, $1,860, and $2,590. These figures are crucial because exceeding them could result in garnished benefits, or even a complete halt in payments. So, let's break it down. If you're an SSDI beneficiary who isn't blind, listen up. The Substantial Gainful Activity (SGA) limit for you in 2024 is $1,550 per month. This means you can earn up to this amount without jeopardizing your benefits. But remember, any income exceeding this threshold could lead to garnishment. Now, let's talk about retirees who filed for benefits before reaching full retirement age. If that's you, and you're not hitting full retirement age in 2024, you need to pay attention. The income threshold for you is $1,860 per month. Go beyond this, and your benefits could take a hit. For our blind SSDI beneficiaries, the SGA limit is slightly higher at $2,590 per month. While this may offer more flexibility, exceeding this threshold could still result in garnished benefits. So, tread carefully. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about two bonus categories. If you're reaching full retirement age in 2024, your income threshold is $59,500 for the months leading up to it. And once you've hit full retirement age, guess what? There's no income limit. Earn as much as you want without worrying about garnishments. Alright, futurists, that's today's breakdown of income thresholds for Social Security and SSDI beneficiaries. Remember, these numbers are critical to ensure you're maximizing your benefits without any unwanted surprises. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop them in the comments below. We're also diving into some important changes coming to EBT cards, specifically for SNAP beneficiaries. Let's get into the details right now. Before we begin, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below for more updates on financial news and tips. Your support means everything, and I'm here to help you make the most of your financial future. EBT cards used for SNAP benefits are getting a much-needed upgrade thanks to new legislation introduced by Senator Ron Wyden. These cards act as debit cards for about 43 million low-income individuals, with over $1 billion loaded onto them each month. The new legislation proposes adding security chips to EBT cards, similar to those on credit cards. Currently, EBT cards are easy targets for hackers, leading to benefits being stolen. Implementing these chips will make EBT cards more secure, protecting beneficiaries from theft and fraud. The legislation allows for a 2-year period to roll out these new cards, so changes won't happen overnight. This means it will take time to replace all existing EBT cards with the new, more secure versions. In the event that your EBT card information is compromised, The new legislation requires that you receive a new card within 3 days. This quick replacement process aims to protect beneficiaries from extended periods without access to their benefits. Additionally, a separate legislation passed in December 2022 allows for the retroactive reimbursement of benefits wrongly taken from EBT cards. This legislation, active until September 30, 2024, provides relief to beneficiaries who fall victim to scams or theft. These changes to EBT cards are long overdue and aim to protect SNAP beneficiaries from theft and fraud. While the implementation will take time, the new security measures will provide peace of mind to millions of individuals who rely on SNAP benefits. Stay tuned for more updates on this legislation and other financial news. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.